Latest crypto and NFT news. North Korean Lazarus Group hackers behind 500 domains campaign to target NFT investors. Recently, SlowMist published a report stating that the North Korean-backed Lazarus Group hackers have been targeting investors through fake domain name campaigns to steal NFTs, ETH, and SOL tokens. PhantomSec first reported on 196 domains being used to list NFT collections from marketplaces like OpenSea to lure collectors in, making them believe they are minting on the actual platforms and gaining access to their wallets. As a result, SlowMist, a security firm, began investigating the case to discover that this domain name campaign was deeper than it seemed. The North Korean APT group has made 500 domain names with 375 phishing websites in one IP and 320 in another to hunt crypto and NFT owners, which has continued for 7 months now. Visit our website for more news.